That should work, guys. What's going on, guys? Angel here, Bitcoin Crypto. Thank you guys so much for joining us here today on the live stream. There's a lot to talk about. Vechain is going absolutely crazy. A lot of people on TikTok are talking about it as well. As you guys can see on the screen right now, we are at 72.29, guys. We're at 72.29 for the challenge, and that is incredible, especially for where we're starting. We started at $2,234.70, and we brought this all the way up to 72.29. That is incredible, especially since we started on February 4th. So just over 2 months, we're on day 71 of this challenge, moving in the right direction, guys. Our current holdings right now are Cardano. We have 1,800 Cardano. Vechain, we have 13,100 Vechain. We have Phantom. It's sitting at 43.5 cents. We have 2,185 Phantom. And then we have crypto.com coin. We have $360 worth of that. It's staking right now, so we haven't added in the staking rewards with crypto.com. That's just purely on the asset that we bought. And then we have our 491 FOMO mode XRP, which I can't believe we actually have, because that is definitely not me. Jesus, thank you so much for sharing this live stream like crazy. Big Head says, let's go. Jesus says, Vechain. SPFD says, thanks for answering all my questions, man. As always, man, this channel is going to continue growing. I have a big feeling, but I'm going to keep continuing, guys, to answer as many questions as I can on these live streams, because I appreciate you guys a ton. I want to give a shout out, guys. I want to give a shout out to our Patreons. We have a few Patreons as well. Moon Cutz, Lantos, and Crypto D7X. So thank you guys for being our Patreons as well. So Aaron Fleming, you bought XRP. Yep, 491 XRP, Aaron. Good to see you on the live stream, by the way. Make sure you guys smash that like button as soon as you guys arrive here on the channel. So like I said, for my TikTok followers, again, we have Cardano. As you guys can see on the YouTube screen, if you guys are with us, we have Cardano here at, we have 1,800 Cardano. What went out? Oh, my light. Dang it. That makes the live stream look like crap. Dang it. 1 second, guys. Hold up. All right, guys, we're in business. We're in business. Sorry about that. Gotta make the studio and everything look decent. Stellar Lumen's good or not? Solid, my man. I know you love Vechain. It's great to see the rise. Yeah, we got in at 6.9 cents. Going to YouTube, head over there, guys. If you guys want to head over to YouTube, go ahead and check us out here on the live stream, where you guys can see me do everything from check the charts to check out some sleepers. Replace my lights. You guys are gonna see that as well. So you guys are gonna see everything that's going on here today. So like I said, guys, let's go to the charts. Thoughts on Elrond. A question on TikTok. I freaking love Elrond, EGLD. And there we go. Go ahead to go to core market cap for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and make myself small, as much as I like to show off the studio and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead, make myself small. We're going to go ahead and put myself in the corner, just like that. We're going to go ahead and we're going to check out what's going on here on Coin Market Cap. If it wants to load. If it doesn't want to load, there we go. Guys, right now, it looks like we're currently at 62.9 for Bitcoin, guys. I'll go ahead and make that a little bigger for those so you guys can see that as well. Bitcoin here is at 62.9. I think HBAR and CKB will be, have some gains soon. I think so as well. We were talking about Matic having a big return, some deep pumps, and that's because that's a good project that's down. When Ethereum pumps, I believe that, for example, Matic's going to pump too. We were talking about Matic at 36 cents. I think Matic is doing pretty well so far. And we're getting really close to the old famous BitBoy $2,500 Ethereum, the old Valentine's Day Ethereum prediction. So we're getting really close there. If it didn't hit it already, I'm not sure if it did or not, but I know it's looking like it's really close. Binance cooling off here at 554, but rightfully so. We're up only about 2 cents here on XRP, up pretty solid here on Cardano as it's hit 148, guys. So you get down here and further. Chainlink at $43. Crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. $43 for Chainlink. That is amazing for us. Like I said, I really like Chainlink. It was due for a pump, guys. What name do you use on Twitch? I actually don't have Twitch yet. 6'4". I probably shouldn't I? I should probably go live on Twitch as well. But I have YouTube right now. YouTube and TikTok are my main. So if you want to go over to YouTube, go ahead and check us out there. 13.6 cents, almost just over 13.5 cents on Doge. That is amazing. 121%. I think it's good for the cryptocurrency space. As much as I hate like XRP and Doge, like what Doge is doing and what Elon has done with Doge is awesome. Like it's just, I mean, just the concept of buying and holding and going to the moon, like I like that in crypto. Same thing with XRP. As much as I hate XRP, it's better for the game to have the SEC get beat. That's what it is. As much as I hate XRP, I'd still rather watch XRP win over getting slapped down by the SEC, because if that happens, we know what's coming for crypto. But I think from what I know, this guy, this new guy coming in, Ginsler, I think his name is, he really, really, really likes crypto, so that's good for us. Coinbase UK froze on biggest movers. Oh no, Robinhood, that's crazy. We're at 18.3 cents. Vechain, like I said, I'm gonna have another Vechain video coming out here soon, talking about. We talked in my last Vechain video. If you guys haven't checked that out yet on YouTube, go ahead and check that out, guys. We were at our target price was 17.5 cents. 17.5 cents, guys, and it already passed that. That was our target for April. Just on based on technicals, it's outperforming the technicals. It's amazing here. Damien, Chinlink here. You're the man, Damien. Good to see you. K-Tisks, H-bar or ETH. Got enough for one right now. ETH is pumping right now, and I think it's going to keep moving a little further, but I think H-bar is going to have the next bigger leg up, in my opinion. Right now, I think for short-term gains, I go with H-bar. I think long-term, I would go with ETH. But like I said, this isn't financial advice because I can't give financial advice. If you take this as financial advice, that is solely on you guys. But like I said, if you ask me a question, I'm going to say what I'm going to do, and you do whatever you want with it. There is nothing for me, okay? So are you going to invest in Mina protocol when it releases? I actually haven't checked much about Mina yet. Like I said, I'm going and do some research. I've been kind of busy as well, trying to shoot some more videos, some more content for Patreon members, because I want to make sure that they get the extra exclusive content just from the top of my mind, from the top of my brain, on the same things, as well as wanting to be more active in Discord. My man, shout out to Rico. I think Rico's in the house. Rico, let me know if you're out here. Rico's doing a good job for me as a moderator while I'm gone, giving people the content, giving people the love on behalf of our community. So shout out to Rico as always, man. Rico, appreciate you, man. What do you think Vechain can do in the next month? Well, turns out it outpredicted my, it shot over my target at 17.5 cents already. So honestly, we're looking at 20. I think 20 is a big psychological spot for Vechain here. But I think, if we're going to keep moving in the right direction, I think Vechain's got a shot at hitting 20. That's not based on technicals. That's based more just on momentum and feel. So, which is a very real thing, especially if you guys could see XRP and Doge. Just optimism is a real thing. So, and like I said, I think there's a lot of people that are going to hold Vechain. I don't think there are people that are really planning to swing trade Vechain. There are some projects that get swing traded all the time, in my opinion. As we scroll down here further, if I can move my cursor here. Give me 1 second. I think my computer is being dumb because I'm pushing it on storage. So I'm going to go ahead and delete a couple things here really quick. I'm sorry. But yeah, this thing is running very slow. So I'm going to go ahead and delete a couple. See if my storage will free up a little bit. Hopefully that helps. You like Kusama? I do. Like I said, Kusama is legitimately just the test net of DOT. So a lot of things that happen on Kusama are probably going to happen on DOT eventually, and the bad things that happen to that they don't like on Kusama just get moved or stopped. But that's legitimately their test net essentially. Vechain is hot last week. Aave mooned as well. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this quick. See if that helps. But yeah, that's lagging bad. coin market cap. We're going to CoinGecko if you're going to be slow as heck. You like Kusama Vechain hot last week? Aave, absolutely. Yeah, Aave is going absolutely crazy. All DeFi making comebacks. Yes, they are. DeFi is making big comebacks. We talked about that about 2 weeks ago or so. That NFTs that are exhausted, and we thought that DeFi is going to start coming back, making big moves, and they certainly are. Maker smashed it. Good job, Robinhood. So yeah, as you can see here, Litecoin 281. See if I can make this a little bit bigger. Chainlink at 42. Bitcoin Cash absolutely going nuts too. Bitcoin Cash always does well in bull markets, guys. Vechain 18 point. Says 18.6 here. Tron, not a huge fan, but Filecoin starting to slip a little bit. Solana is absolutely crushing it as well. It's been quiet here, but it's to get up to $27. Solana's been doing crazy things. EOS has been doing well. Luna at 16.35, starting to recover. Cosmos was at 19, doing absolutely crazy things. Yeah, this DeFi space is going crazy. I sold Maker yesterday to buy XLM. I sold my Maker at 34. Good for you. Dang. Yeah, that's tough. Aave up here at 466, a 33% pump. Good. Kusama at 467. EGLD at 227. I bought it at 125 here just a couple weeks ago, so that's doing very well for me. You think Cardano $8 is possible? Absolutely. My prediction was 9. Up $1,400 US. Good job, Robinhood. That is amazing. Yeah, like here's Maker at 39.50, just crushing it. Synthetics even getting a little pump. H-bar here up 20%. I think it's going to move even more. Chili's recovered a little bit up to 54, as well as Engine. Engine was down about 290 back here at $3.11. Matic was down up 28%. So for those who we were talking about, that was one of the projects that we thought was down, that was moving up in the right direction. That is exactly what we see here. So I'm going to go ahead and look here at the top gainers quick of the past 7 days. If let's see. Maybe I won't, but XRP up 91%. Dang, Coinbase froze. That is crazy. As you guys can see, I just refreshed here again, 72.53, which is amazing. Here, there's been some pretty solid news. Coinbase, the Coinbase IPO listing, I think they gave them a prediction of right around 250. And I think I got all the way up to about 410 or 420. Then there were some initial investors that sold out, and then from there, people were making some decent money. And now I think it's right around 3 in the low mid 3s. So almost bought Band Protocol yesterday. Had the button on my finger and I didn't hit it, and boy, Band pumped. I got a notification earlier about Band just going crazy. So bands will make us dance. Certainly did. We're going to go ahead and go to Cointelegraph, take a little bit of the news with you guys as well. Like I said, we're doing extremely well here on this challenge. Vet almost our biggest holding here at 2,400. Absolutely crazy. Client malfunction brings down Ethereum's most popular block explorer. Bitcoin 62, a great buy before the next surge, major fund manager says. Coin market recap. XRP seeing a monster rally as well. BlackRock CEO says crypto may become great asset class, but is no substitute for currency. Interesting. That's an interesting article as well. Miami Commissioner wants to let residents pay taxes in Bitcoin. Chainlink releases new white paper and a shift towards smart contract computations. That's very, very interesting. Probably a reason why Cardano is pumping. Coinbase. I wanted to actually read that. What was that? Coinbase ends day at. Want to make sure Polkadot overvalued. Not yet. Nope, I don't think Polkadot is overvalued. Crypto for following the host. Thank you. What's your Bitcoin target? End of the bull, 275. 275. I'm not as bearish as some people saying 100, 150, or even 200. I'm not as moonshotty. I'm not thinking 500, or I've even heard a million, or 500 or a million. I'm not that moon boyish. But 275, I think, is a really good, really solid. Breaking news: Coinbase ends day at 85.8 billion valuation. So let's talk about that for a second too. I think there are some projects. I think the stock market, the traditional market, is afraid a little bit of Coinbase. Just think about it like in a situational. Have you ever had like a new, for example, when you were in school, the new kid comes from school, and you guys have everything nice, and there's the dynamics of popularity and who sits where at lunch and all of that, and who's got girlfriends and boyfriends and all of that. And then the new guy comes, or the new girl comes, however what perspective you want, and she's super pretty, and she's way better than most of the guys that are there, in your high school. And then they show up, and all of a sudden you get a little jealous. You're not sure what to think. Do you want to friend them? Do you not want to friend them? That kind of thing. I think Coinbase was a new kid at school, and he's very good looking and very athletic, and they don't know the traditional market wants to accept him or not yet. Best analogy I can think of off the top of my head, but that's kind of the feel that I get with Coinbase. So high school nostalgia. See, right? I got to bring it back. I had to bring it back there, but that's probably the best way that I could think of to kind of announce it. XRP stagnant, but it's been pumping like crazy, Tyrell. So that's why. Like I said, I put the conspiracy theory out that they were going to relist Coinbase or XRP yesterday. They obviously didn't, is what it is. But I think shortly hereafter, to continue to impress, I think they're going to do that. I think sooner than later. I think it's going to surprise some people. Coinbase's girlfriend is hot. Bitcoin. It's true. It's true. We really can't compete with that, because that fiat is not our type. That fiat's not our type. Vechain, though. Vechain's looking pretty nice. Crypto Doll Financial joined, as well as David. Good to see you guys in the house. So let me get back to this Chainlink releases white paper news article. Sorry about the bringing it back to high school for anybody. If that was a good or bad time in your life, whether it was good or bad, don't take it too personally. So Chainlink unveiled a new white paper on Thursday, which details a planned expansion and pivoting to creating Oracle networks for computation. The proposal would see Chainlinks generalize its oracles and network into a meta layer of decentralized Oracle networks, or DONs. The new Oracle network would continue to focus on functions that blockchains or even layer 2 networks are unable to perform. Co-founder Chainlink explained to Cointelegraph. The extension here is really, in fact, that you can put an arbitrary executable in an Oracle network for it to run that. This greatly expands what an Oracle network can do. And obviously the biggest Oracle network, the most popular, famous Oracle network now is Chainlink. So I want to make sure I'm not missing any chats as well, guys. Good to see you guys. Make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Vechain gets a Coinbase listing, it'll literally explode. I completely agree. I think it's really, really close. Are you going to continue to invest in Mina? I'm holding Vechain and Chainlink forever. Demian, that's a pretty solid idea. Like I said, especially in the whole gang, if you're trying to swing trade or trade, being a trader, I wouldn't hold it into the bear market. But if you're holding, hold it. If there's anything, is there any small projects that caught your eye? How is Crow man to 30? Hopefully Crow does go to 30. The really small project, like I said, I'm still keeping my eye on. I actually think BitBoy finally got a deal with him. I think he pitched it last night with Stater. But I put a video out about 2 weeks ago talking about Stater. Finally beat BitBoy to something. But I think Stater is a really, really solid project coming soon here, especially with the NFT space and being able to combine NFT and DeFi. So you're able to get a flash loan with your DeFi as collateral. I think that's super game-changing, super important. I don't know. Are you in on YouTube now too? I'm going there. Yeah, Crypto Nutshell, that's where we are. So go ahead and join us here on YouTube. Like I said, just type in Begin Crypto. Make sure you guys subscribe there so you guys can join us and see some of the charts as well. So awesome, guys. I'm going to go ahead and go to Trading View here. We're going to go to our trading view. Still a good time to buy into Matic with the reluctant face. But yes, I mean, as long as Ethereum, so Ethereum and Matic go kind of hand in hand. So when you feel like you should buy Ethereum, in my opinion, I think you should buy Matic. And I still think it's an okay time to buy Ethereum. I think we're going to get up into the 225 or 2500 range here very, very shortly. But yeah, I think Matic's going to be a good solid protocol, or it's going to be a good solid project, especially if Ethereum starts to come out as a winner. Harmony 1 has been quiet, but that was another project that we talked about. Luna 1, Matic, those really solid projects that are super quiet right now. So Gino, what's up? Good to see you in the house as well. Cool. I'm just waiting for our chart to come back up here. Just so we have MarketCipher down here on the bottom. We have the small green dot here on Cardano at 147.8. Should be moving up in the right direction for us as well. Let's see. Hi from Sweden. Any good calls? Have to take a look a little bit harder. Robinhood, good to see you back as well. I wish my computer was not running so slow, but at least the live stream is staying on YouTube. So Matic is my 7th biggest holding, not selling it. Yep, I like Matic. If you're an Ethereum believer, you better have some Matic. That's just my opinion. So, not financial advice. Phantom's been frustrating me a little bit. It's up 6% right now, but we got in at 39 and it's only at 44 cents. So compared to a lot of projects, this little 9% pump is not as good as some other ones. We saw it at 55. However, I thought we were going to see, more of a target of like 65. So we stayed in, and turns out it came back down. Here's the Binance Ethereum US dollar. Still on a moon mission. Still on a moon mission here. The 4-hour chart says we might see some downward movement a little bit on ETH, but hopefully bouncing back in the right direction. Down here, and March 24th was the bottom. And since March 24th, we got the little green dot, and we are moving in the right direction. I'm going to check the 1 day. I said my XRP price prediction, 950 by the end of the bull market. It just does very, very well in bull markets, and I think if they can shake the SEC off, XRP is going to go crazy. So nothing too new on the week chart. I'm going to go ahead and use MarketCipher, check MarketCipher A and see if there we go. We did get the big green dot here on the day chart on March 8th, and ever since we've been moving up in the right direction, but nothing shouting at me too much there on the day chart. Red Dog says, Rico says the Red Dog says, yep, XRP, you holding Matic through the bear market. He says, yep. Cool, guys. I want to get to Vechain here. Vet. There we go. .ave, Tomo. .ave crushing it. Well, I mean, Dot's been kind of stagnant, but it went from 30 to 42 on that dip. So I know Dot fans are probably feeling like it's kind of like a stable coin as well. On the day chart, looks like Vechain's been on a moon mission since November 22nd. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and go to the hour chart. Let's see what's going on a little more. Let's see what we can see throughout the day here. Tiny bit of red. April 12th, but we got the double green dots on the top side here that are confirming the up and to the right movement here. And then as you guys can see, it's probably hard to see. I'm trying to make it bigger. Uh-oh. I think I got too far. Man, this thing is lagging like crazy, isn't it? Dree says hi. Hello. Good to see you. Aurelio, what's going on? Barbie Leia, what's going on to you as well? Man, this chart is being super slow, guys. I'm very sorry. All these technical difficulties is, gosh, annoying as heck. Just trying to let it reset here for a second. There, jeez. That was painful. Down up here at the top, looking at 18.996. They showed it to be a little bit overbought here. Came back down, correcting to 18.2. Looks like we could start. We have a green and a red dot next to each other. Means there's kind of some consolidation going on. They really don't know. Bulls and bears don't really know where it's going to go from here. So it's kind of stopped the consolidating there. Thank you for the info and the advice. Right on, brother. Might take some profits on it, to be honest. Appreciate you.